With the approval of the Blackrock Bitcoin ETF, all eyes are on the next ETF. And although Ethereum is probably next, the greatest twist in crypto might be on the horizon. Significant hedge funds have recently begun to put money into cryptocurrency, namely meme coins like Shiba Inu. This video is a must-watch for everyone with a Shiba Inu interest or Shib tokens. What then has recently transpired with Shiba Inu coins? How is the news about the Shiba ETF and hedge funds? Is the value of Shiba Inu going to be affected by all of this? All of this new information about Shiba Inus that has just surfaced will be answered in today's video, along with any questions you may have. Please watch the whole video from beginning to finish so that you do not miss any of the material that I have gathered. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. However, before we go into our subject, how about we check at the Shiba price chart for May 13th? The current price of a Shiba Inu is around 2,326 units. With $466 million in trading activity, SHIB's price has climbed 3.2% in the last 24 hours. At its current price of over $13.7 billion, the token is the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency. This is not financial advice, and the pricing may have changed by the time you see the video. The debut of the Shiba Inu token, a revolutionary new cryptocurrency, has been unveiled by a senior executive. Lucy, the head of marketing at Shiba Inu, dispels rumors about the release of the tree for Shib token, Treat, and instead asks the community to depend on official announcements. Marketing lead Lucy recently cleared up some confusion over the Treat for Shib token launch, more often known as Treat. There have been rumors that the token was issued in 2023, but Lucy has verified that Treat has not been officially distributed just yet. Layer 3 blockchain for Shiba Inu. The most recent issue of the Shib, a magazine for Shiba Inus, included Treat, one of the Tier 3 tokens. Many people in the cryptocurrency sector took notice of this statement. Shiba Inu and Zama's partnership yielded the Layer 3 blockchain, which will be complemented by a Layer 3 blockchain based on completely homomorphic encryption. In order to accommodate complicated applications and handle high-volume transactions, the Shiba Inu ecosystem is implementing this change to make the Shibarium network more scalable. The ecology of the Shiba Inu, the role of Treat. Similar to how Shibarium, Shiba Inu's scaling solution, relies on Bone, the upcoming L3 blockchain is anticipated to include Treat as a key component for both utility and governance. A new privacy-focused blockchain called L3 and other projects were funded by $12 million raised by the Shiba Inu development team using the Treat utility and governance token. Some of the most prominent cryptocurrency donors from venture capital companies participated in the funding round. With the money acquired, Treat Shiba Inu intends to collaborate with Zama to further the development of the privacy-based L3 blockchain. The creator of Shiba Inu, Satoshi Kusama, has hinted that the token, Treat, would be launched this year and will enter the cryptocurrency market. At the same time, the global crypto world took notice of Shibarium's latest milestone, the successful accomplishment of a hard fork. Lots of people have been wondering when Treat would be released, but Lucy, who is in charge of marketing for Shiba Inu, has set the record straight. The token is not yet live. On the upcoming L3 blockchain, the token is anticipated to have substantial impact on the Shiba Inu ecosystem, namely in terms of utility and governance. After a hard fork on Shibarium was successfully completed, the crypto world is excitedly awaiting Treat's formal debut. Please, if you are still here, hit that like button. It would mean the world to us. It is completely free and greatly contributes to the channel's support. If you want to know what's happening with Shiba Inu and where the currency may go from here, you'll have to see the show. The enormous price spike of Ignite was fueled by Shiba Inu currency. Recent Shib burn details totaling 29 million Shib coins. The most recent burning incident eliminated them from circulation forever. It is worth mentioning that 14.9 million and 10 million Shib coins were the highest burn transactions today. The severe decrease of supply caused the burn rate to surge, increasing by a hopping 1,009% compared to the previous day. The Shib team started testing out a novel way to burn money automatically on the Shibarium test network earlier in 2024. The mechanism makes use of gas costs that have built up, with a portion of the fees paid with bone tokens being converted into Shib and delivered to burn wallets, where they are essentially removed from circulation. To maintain the coin's value over time, this system seeks to provide an automatic burn process that is consistent. Insights and future actions. Investor optimism in the continuing burn efforts may be driving the recent price gain of Shib. One possible solution to the coin's supply and inflation problems is automatic burning. The amount and frequency of fires are significantly impacted by community involvement in bot transactions. The community is keeping a close eye on when and how severe future burns will be as these changes take place. Both founder Ryoshi and marketing officer Lucy have stressed the significance of community involvement in purchasing transactions to enable continuous burning. Even if there has been a price dip after the rise, these burning mechanisms will likely be important for Shib's pricing and market positioning going forward. The meat of today's video is about to begin. Coins with a nasty streak are selling like Shiba Inu to hedge investors and venture capitalists. There was a time when major institutional investors at banks and hedge funds weren't interested in cryptocurrency meme coins like Shiba Inu, but that has changed in the last year. The interest of professional money managers in meme currencies is on the rise, it turns out. First, we'll take a look at who's involved, what motivates them, and how you may potentially join in and invest in the memes if the circumstances are perfect. See who's purchasing wicked coins and why they're buying them here. At this time, there are a few of companies whose strategies include the use of meme coins in order to compete. One new cryptocurrency that has just emerged has a Shiba Inu dog wearing a charming knitted hat. Stratos, a hedge fund that enjoys the support of venture capitalists like Mark Andreessen of Andreessen Horowitz, has been holding this coin since December. Pantera Capital is a crypto-focused hedge fund that also owns memes and touts the enormous growth potential of meme coins, claiming that they are here to stay. This is huge, and it won't be long before we see more of it. Cryptocurrency is the best investment option on the planet due to its high potential return. This is becoming more apparent to hedge funds, who are starting to see the value of risking a tiny portion of their money in the hopes of earning returns of several thousand%. Some of the $250 million that Blackrock has set aside for Ethereum chain crypto projects may find its way into low-quality currencies like Shib, as was recently revealed. Although this does not portend the launch of a Shiba ETF, it does portend the involvement of some of the world's most prestigious financial institutions in meme currencies. Professionals predict that Shib Inu will go over $0.17 in the near future. Shiba Inu prices have taken a hit due to recent adverse tendencies in the Bitcoin market. Still, a number of industry watchers continue to be bullish on the coin. They all think that the popular meme currency might reach 0.00017 in the next years, but their dates are different. Differences in timeline. Oscar Ramos, a well-known Shiba Inu advocate, will be worth 0.17 in the year 2025. This happens to be at the same time that the current crypto bull season is expected to end. Those who buy in Shib at its present price might potentially win a staggering 640% according to this optimistic goal. Platforms with a more cautious approach, such as Changelly and Telegram, estimate that Shib will achieve this worth in 6 years. A more reasonable target for this bull run's high, they say, might be 6,000 units. Although I find this rather pessimistic, especially compared to where we were even 8 months ago, it would represent a tremendous gain. The expectations are high. Many have speculated that Shib may eventually reach 0.1 or perhaps higher. The previous performance of Shib is cited by many experts. For example, in only 8 days, the stock went up 373% from 950 units to 4,500 units. A comparable upswing, according to analyst Eunice One, may take Shib to 0.000125. Another encouraging sign is the expanding array of collaborations held by Shib. The recent agreement by Shiba Inu and CDSA to solve piracy problems via the use of Shibarium and another unnamed relationship hinted at by principal developer Satoshi Kusama provide hope for the asset's future. The present state of affairs about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu prices have fallen over the last few months due to the generally negative market sentiment. When Shiba Inus could reach the 0.00017 pricing mark is a topic of debate between experts. It may take more time than expected, but some think it will happen during current bull run. What lies ahead for Shiba Inu depends heavily on things like market trends, fruitful collaborations, and the general health of the Bitcoin business. The Bitcoin market is notoriously unpredictable, as is usually the case. Do your homework before putting your money into anything. A lot of our subscribers have said they won't sell Shib for at least 5 years and plan to hold on to millions because they have faith in the Shiba Inu developers and the Shib's real-world value. Tell me how many are in your possession. Please disclose all of your Shib assets in the space provided here. The Shib bearer deserves kudos for having faith in the procedure. If you're having fun with the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu coin in the comments. Additionally, to ensure that you are alerted whenever we upload a new video, be sure to enable post notifications.